Hey there, it's time for another
Devlog. 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 Devlog.
It's been a while, quite a few changes since my last devlog. I have, hopefully made some improvements to the rendering, and I managed to add animations. I have people walking. I implemented basic PBR, or physically based rendering, a more modern rendering technique, as well as specular IBL. Each frame I'm rendering the scene 6 additional times and rendering it to a cube map. As you can see, this is a debug cube. I use this cube to have real-time reflections. I use blurry versions for rougher objects. Not surely I will fully use this. It is rather expensive, but I'll see where it takes me. Here are a few spheres demoing the different levels of roughness. Above it are the additional maps needed to make all this work. I mostly understand it. I thought I would add some red and green balls because it's the season. Looking nice and reflective, just like the ones on your tree before your cat gets to them. Not much progress on the game design front. Most focus has been on rendering. I'm hoping to switch gears back to that in a week or so. I might try to implement shadow mapping first, though. I'm changing directions on the concept I'm going for. I believe last time we talked, I was working on a restaurant simulation game. I'm going for something still within that simulation genre, but I might go for something just a little bit different. That's it for now. See you.